Namaskar. Now, I am going to explain. A patient came from Bangalore, 35 years old, 30 plus old lady. She has been suffering for the past 2 years from many problems. This is the fourth time I attached Rudraksha on her hand. I request her to give her feedback about this Rudraksha therapy. Pass.
Hello, friends. I was suffering from high BP with a high pulse rate, as well as diabetic and obesity issues started because of different medications and insulin that I was taking for diabetes. For almost 2 to 3 years, I've been taking these medicines, and slowly the medicine side effect has made me very weak. My health has become weak, and I have become very dull, and I lost my complete body strength. And it so happened that I'm completely on rest is the only thing I'm able to do. I was working and I've stopped to work, being that I'm not able to be active. For the last a year, I'm not able to even sit for a long time and work. This was the condition where I was treated with different allopathy medicines, and different medications was advised to me from allopathy. And every day morning, you'll see me taking a lot of medicines. As I was suffering, I had an introduction of Ravi sir from my relative, and where I started my Rudraksha therapy 2 days back, where my first Rudraksha therapy's feeling was the moment he inserted two different Rudraksha on different points on my hands where I had a pain area. The moment sir inserted the Rudraksha and stimulated the pulse, I felt the reaction from my head to the toe. The complete reaction was magical, that I have never experienced. My body senses till now, for the last 2 years to 3 years, I've been very dull, and I could not realize my body reaction itself. And that particular moment, the Rudraksha pulse was pushed by Ravi sir, I was able to feel the complete body being energized. Post that, my laziness got better, and that first day was a real magical moment, is what I experienced. And continuing which, I'm able to feel that my laziness is slowly getting better, and I'm able to be active. And I'm very sure my second day treatment was going really fine, and my eyesight got completely clear now, and my vision is very much better and clear, is what I should say. And slowly, I'm sure that in a couple of days I will become more normal, and in a month's time I'm sure that I will get much better, is the feeling I have with Ravi sir's help. And the happy moment about this is I have stopped my BP medicines for the last 2 days, and my BP and pulse rate both have returned back to the normal reading. And I'm very happy to stop my BP medication, as well as in the night I was taking cardiac medicines, which was actually making me very weak, and I've suffered a lot from my body. So that has been recovered, and from yesterday night onwards, I've stopped even my cardiac medicines. At the moment, continuing on my sugar medication, and I'm sure I will even stop the medicines in few months, and I will post back my video on my success rate in other few weeks or a month's time. Thank you.
One small correction. She told Rudraksha I inserted. Actually, I attached two Rudrakshas on her hand. Number one. Number two, apart from all the diabetic medicine, stop all the medicines and check the BP. If it is abnormal, take the medicines. Otherwise, stop all the medicines. I gave her 6 millets powder to mix with water, take 3 times a day, along with 3 liters of water per day. So this feedback is after the fourth treatment, morning and evening, morning and evening. This is the second day evening. She is giving this feedback. She will give further feedback in a month's time, as she is going to learn from me this Rudraksha therapy. Coming Sunday, she is going to treat herself. So let us wait for her next feedback. Thank you very much, my dear friends.